Congratulations on your new cereal sipper. You'll never eat breakfast cereal the same again. And thank you for joining the cereal revolution. Now, if you hadn't gotten yours yet, you still can. Just go to thecerealsipper.com and order yours. Order one for the entire family. Now, today's video, we're going to show you how to use the cereal sipper step by step. And it's pretty simple. So if you have your brand new cereal sipper, it will come in a box just like this. So we're going to open it up. It will come like that, and you'll also get a set of handy instructions, nice little cereal sipper logo. That's for you to keep and use at a later time. So the cereal sipper itself is just the cup here, but it actually contains two other parts. You pop the lid off and you have the inner cup. This is where the cereal goes. The outer cup is where the milk goes, and of course this is the lid. Now, I recommend that when you first get your cereal sipper, you wash it. It's dishwasher safe. This one has already been cleaned, so we're going to move forward. What I like to do is to just use a napkin to sit the cereal cup on top of. The cereal cup will go inside here, and so you don't want the contact with your milk and whatever the counter is. So I just like to separate it this way. So first, your milk container. You want to fill it up with milk to about 2 inches or 2.5 inches, where this curve starts. That's the perfect level for the perfect amount of cereal serving. So I'm going to take our milk, you pour, and you stop at that line, if you can see that there. Next, we have our cereal. Now, the cereal cup is the perfect size for one of these boxes or one of these bags of personal cereal. Of course, you can use the big cereal if you want. And I'm going to pour this entire bag in. And if you can see this, it fits perfectly. Now you want to leave it about maybe 1.5 inches of room from the top for it to work perfectly. So I'm leaving some space, a gap for the cereal at the top. You can use this for any type of cereal that's loop-shaped, puff-shaped, or rice-shaped cereals. You may not want to use it on your square-shaped cereals. Next, we're going to take our lid, pop it on the cereal cup until it snaps. And you're going to take your cereal cup and put it into the oval shape of your milk cup. You press it on tight there. And there you go. So to use the cereal sipper, you put your lip right here at the orange, on the orange lid. You're going to turn it up about 45 degrees. You're going to hear a gluck, gluck, gluck. That's the milk coming out. It'll be about 1 Mississippi. And that gives it enough time for the milk and the right portion of cereal to come into your mouth. Crunchy cereal, cold milk, the cereal sipper. You've been eating cereal wrong.